Are employee rights different for part-time workers? In recent discussions surrounding labor laws, a question has emerged that many people are eager to understand. Are employee rights different for part-time workers? With the rise of flexible work arrangements, this topic is more relevant than ever. Many individuals are searching for clarity on their rights, especially as part-time roles become increasingly common. From a labor and employment law perspective, the rights of employees can indeed differ between part-time and full-time workers. The extent of these differences varies based on jurisdiction and specific legal provisions. For instance, in China, part-time workers are subject to distinct contract and employment conditions compared to their full-time counterparts. Part-time work contracts in China may often be oral, while full-time contracts must be documented within 1 month of employment. Part-time employees usually work no more than 4 hours per day or 24 hours per week. They do not have a probation period, and either party can terminate the agreement at any time. Notably, part-time workers in China are not entitled to severance compensation, and they must receive payment at least every 15 days. Shifting our focus to Slovenia, the full-time workweek is defined as 40 hours. This standard plays a critical role in calculating overtime and benefits. Part-time work is generally considered any schedule with fewer hours than full-time. While general labor laws protect all workers, some exceptions apply to specific categories like managerial employees. In Slovenia, part-time workers do receive certain protections, including rest periods and health and safety guarantees. However, the specific benefits and rights can vary based on collective agreements and sector-specific regulations. Modern employment practices are increasingly recognizing the importance of flexible work schedules, including part-time arrangements. These models aim to strike a balance between work and personal life, which can lead to improved motivation and productivity. However, legal rights such as overtime pay, leave entitlements, and contract terms often differ between part-time and full-time workers. In many cases, part-time employees have different rights and protections compared to full-time employees, often with fewer benefits related to severance and probation. However, they still retain fundamental labor protections, including fair pay, rest periods, and workplace safety. The details of these rights depend on local labor laws and regulations. Employers must navigate these distinctions while ensuring fair treatment within the legal framework. Understanding these differences is essential for both employees and employers as the workforce continues to evolve.